Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant S5 sweeper. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace a damaged or worn caster wheel. Here is how we do it. There are two 13mm bolts that are holding the caster wheel bracket to the machine that we have to take out. And they are nutted on the back side as well. Okay, now that we have the two bolts removed, now we have to go to the center knob here and we have to remove this as well. And it is nutted on the back side too. And make sure to brace your bracket because your bracket will fall out, just like that. Now that we have the bracket off, the next step is to remove this wheel here. So it's 14mm socket. Remove the nut. Slide that center bolt out. And take the caster off. So now we need to remove the swivel bracket right here. There is a 3/4 nut that we have to take off. Like that. Now we can remove that. I do want to mention that when you get your new caster wheel assembly, it's gonna come together, so you're gonna have to remove the wheel to reinstall the new one. All we have to do to install, put your swivel bracket back on the caster wheel bracket, replace that 3/4 nut, and now we can put the wheel back on. Just like that, now we can put the bracket back on the machine. So now all you have to do is put the bracket back up to the machine and insert the two 13mm bolts, and then make sure you tighten the nuts down on the back side. Just like that. So lastly, the thing we need to do now is be sure to put your center knob back in and tighten it down on the back side. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.